Cody, I'm going to show you how to build this Lego set. Here's the instructions. Okay. And you come here. I put it on wrong. Hold on. There. Now I have to build the sprayer. Where are you, yellow thing? There you are. There. I built the sprayer. Now I'm building the motorcycle. This is the body of the motorcycle, okay? Now the stickers are on. Okay, let's get the glue. There. Now we're going to build the trash can. Now take a 2x4 piece, put it on the end, and take a 2x2 piece, and take another 2x2 piece, and put it on there. Now you take this brown piece and take another brown piece, put it right here as well. And then you put a 4x2 piece right there. And then you put another brown piece on there as well. And then you put another 4x2 piece on there. And another 4x2 piece on there. And put a 2x2 piece in there as well. And then you put this piece on. I don't know even what's called. Put it on in the middle as well. And then you put on these on the sides. Put a 4x2 on it as well. And then you take a piece like this, put it in the middle on top, and then you take this and down, up like that, where you put the flames in. And now you take the big flame. Hold on, I need to take it all apart. I did it wrong. I put it on wrong. Put it wrong. I put it wrong. Hold on. Now you put the big flame in first, and then you put a little flame in next as well. Now, my trash can is finished. Now, you'll have the set. Thank you for watching.